You can go off.
Mom, did you fix that yet?
Look, she loves Scooby. Loves Scooby. Her loves Scooby. Lay down, Scooby. Oh, he'll love on her. Hold on. She'll go, watch her, listen. Abby, get back. I don't trust Abby. I trust Scooby. You stay right here. Oh, I love Mel. Oh, I love Mel. He loves Mel. Mel loves him. Say hi, Mel. Say, uh-oh.
Oh, look at her little tail from that feather.
It's broke, yeah. Oh, that's nice. You like Mel Mel? Oh, that's nice. Say Mel.
What are you supposed to have to do now?
What's it doing?
It's not read my zipper. I mean, it says from an unknown resource.
That's what it's supposed to say.
I know. I know this. I told you that. That's right. It says that in every phone I put it in, but it's not.
Aww. Aww.
It's not
Is that not cute?
Up against him cute.
Say, Say Come here, Scooby. Come up here. Huh? No, you stay.
Look at her little broken wing. Her broken feather.
Oh, no, they do. Yeah, she won't.
Her tail's touching me and stuff. Get out of me.
She won't come near you. She wants Scooby.
I don't know what you get out of me with that camera.
Oh, I'm not. I just got your leg.
Well, stop it.
Oh.
Look, Mommy.
That's nice.
Birds and dogs are not.
Here, listen to her. Listen, she'll go. Scooby. Scooby. Watch out, Scoob. Here. Oh, I love Mel. Love. Uh-oh, get there. Get there. Get there with Mel. Say hi, Mel. Get there. Come on, Scooby. Come on. Get there with Mel. It's okay. Come here, Mel.
She's like, where did you go?
Come on, Scooby. It's okay. Come here, Scoob. Come here. Say, come here, Mel. Say, look at you, pretty girl. Look at you. Go get Tina. I'm trying to, I want to get her where she gets cupped up in the...
Yeah.
Well, sit still. We're gonna...
Oh. Try to push your head up against him.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
That is really cute. Like, seriously.
Uh-uh. Come here, Bill. Come here, Scooby. Come up here, Scoop. Hi, Mel. Hi, Mel. Come here. Aw, be nice. Now she's taller than you, bub. Got a broken tail feather. How'd you do that, Mel? Huh? How'd you break your tail feather? Say hi, Scooby. Where's Scoob? Come on. Come on. That's nice. There you go. That's Scooby's butt. Lay down. Oh, that's nice. No, Abby. Good girl. I trust Scooby. I don't trust Abby. To a point. I don't trust either one of them, but...
Yeah.
Oh, she talking to you. Oh. Oh. What's she saying, Scoob? Okay.
She climbed up there.
I put her up there.
Oh, she can rub your belly, Scooby. Oh, she lets you, puppy. He's hugging her back. That's sweet.
Be nice.
Be nice, little Mel Mel. Don't hurt little Mr. Scooby. He's being nice to you. He loves you. Oh, when you good huggies.
Yeah, but that's not probably good because
He does like to do that. That would be an ugly sight.
And then she's got...
He's a loving little bird and a loving little dog. What more can you ask for?
A lot of patience, huh, Scoob? What you think, Scoob? Is that your buddy?
Such a nice little boy.
Don't bite. No bite. No bite.
Nice Mel. He's being so tolerant.
I was going to try to get her. Come here, Mel. Come over this way. She wants you to pay attention to her, huh?
Protecting his belly now.
He's probably thinking, I'd like to pick this bird up and play with it like a rag toy. No, not Bubby. That's nice, Bubby. She follows him. She's following you. She likes you. Aw. Say hi, Mel. Say good bird. Good bird. She's going to trim your tails. Very nice boy. You're a good boy. Good boy. A lot of patience, bub. Hi, Mel. Say
Careful. Gentle, Mel Mel. Gentle with Mr. Scooby. He's a nice boy.
Am I watching you? Look at you two. Oh, okay. Betty's like, what is going on there? What's the matter, Bailey? It's all right.
Do you realize now she's going to think she can get on the floor anytime she wants?
Thought about that. Scooby, lay down. What?
Be nice, Scooby. You're being a nice boy. Good boy.
Bailey's worried.
Good boy.
It's okay, Bailey.
You're a good boy.
It's okay, Bailey. See, he needs spray to give. Uh-oh. Come here. Come here.
Hi, buddy.
Come here, Mama. Come here. Step up. Quit biting. Quit biting. Hello, gorgeous girl. Say, can you kiss the camera? Look at you.
You're so good.
You are so gorgeous. Gorgeous girl.
Such a good boy.
All right. We're going to go put you up, okay?